Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we are feasting on
POLLOTROPICAL.
POLLOTROPICAL?
Yeah.
Oh, not Tropicana.
No, POLLOTROPICAL.
Yeah. POLLOTROPICAL. And today is Fast Food Friday.
You know it, family.
So we have a family meal. We get the whole chicken and they cut it up. We ask for it to be well done. I have brown rice and some black beans and some onions. My husband has white rice with black beans and some onions. And he has the bread. I didn't want any bread today. And then we have their famous guava
sauce.
There, just like my husband said.
Nice.
And we're gonna dig in. You guys know it's Friday, so I don't do an outfit on Fridays because it's a relaxed day. So we're just gonna dig in. This food is nice and hot.
Ooh. Sorry for the late upload, family.
Yeah, it's a late upload.
Blame it on me. I get the blame.
Blame it on alcohol.
You know, if you can't shake out my power. Oh, you know it. Always keep it grace.
If you guys go to POLLOTROPICAL,
if they have it around the area too.
If you have it in the area, try their brown rice. It's so good. I love their brown rice.
Brown rice, nice. Look here, what kind
and
of
this
rice
guava sauce.
Guava sauce be hitting.
Yeah, the guava barbecue sauce is really good. It's really, really good. And then I just have Canada Dry here. I just feel like drinking something acidy. What do you have in there, honey?
So mix up. All type of mix up in that cup then. So how was your day? Really?
He's only asking how your day was so he can complain to you about how his day was.
You see you start already? You see you start me tell you say let me see?
Let me see, my love.
You see you start already? I will start the video good yet.
But no, but alright, because we chat too much sometimes.
You chat too much, enough time.
Enough time. This is some sriracha. I love sriracha on. For some reason, when I'm eating POLLOTROPICAL, I have to have sriracha. I don't know why.
Yeah.
You know I love my legs.
Yeah. See, what a family meal for the family. Gotta get it.
Ooh. Come on.
You think we should put them on and how our day went?
My day went fine.
Your day went fine. Yeah? I'm telling you why your day went fine.
I took a nap.
Exactly. I left me out there for a good day and do yard work.
No.
Family, let me tell you what happened today. Today we got up, right?
We had a long day.
Long day. Quick story. Got up today and the first day they said, yo, we're gonna run some errands and we got like about what, 10:30? Right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna run some errands. And we're gonna do some yard work. So I have.
Hey man, you go on chat so I can eat.
Yeah, I'm still gonna eat too. I have to cut the grass. So I got two more. I got a sit down mower and a push one. But I use the push one a long time. That's the backup. So anyway, before we left, I plug it in. Right, Tom?
To charge.
Right?
To charge it.
Charge it. Right? Come back in the house like about after one.
After one?
That's one. So yeah. The lawnmower ready to kick up now. Go cut the grass.
So you think?
So me take me go up on the lawnmower and say, rev it up. No, I start. It's alright.
What you did? Ring.
No, I start. I said, okay. Probably want to charge some more. So we sat down in the garage till like about what, 4 o'clock while it's still charging. So I did a little weed whacking, you know, with a weed whacker. I said, let me kill some time.
But it's Florida, so it's hot.
It's hot.
It's 95 degrees outside.
It was hot today.
But it felt like 110.
Oh my God.
And we're sitting in the garage. I was sweating in places that I didn't even know I had.
You're sweating, man.
So I went inside. I said, I gotta go get some AC. I went inside and drop asleep.
Drop asleep on me, family, right? So I said, okay, I'm in the garage there, sitting down, chilling, waiting for the machine. Not mad now, no, cause that. We have to come do the video, cause you know, today's Friday and I gotta work the weekends. Because I want to get this video done. In there again. Boom, 5:30 again. So that was like from 4 o'clock. So 5:30 now, I said, you know what? Let me try again. No start. I said, shit. So damn, I gotta go try to use the push mower now. I haven't used the push mower for years. It just sit down there for backup. So I said, alright, let me try the push mower. Pull out the push mower out of the garage now. Throw some gas in there, crank it up. It didn't kick up. So I crank it again. Didn't kick up. So I got mad. So when I crank it the third time, my damn elbow, boom, into the leather of the wall, right?
Into the ladder.
You see when my elbow hit the leather, oh my god. You know when you hit your funny bone, you can't feel nothing right now. Kind of a little bruise in there, but you know what?
Oh my baby.
I'm mad because you know why? Because I can't eat good.
It must have been eating.
That's why I'm mad. But anyways, I got fed up now, so I push out the mower to the side and say, you know what? If this machine don't start right now, because I already mashed up my hand. If not starting, that's it. That grass gonna stay like that.
So wait a minute.
Yeah.
So wait a minute. So you're not mad because you hurt your hand. And you got to go to work tomorrow. You're mad because no, it messed up your eating ability.
I'm eating. I'm carrying some. Carrying again.
Oh, okay.
I said, you know what?
Okay.
That's why I'm mad too. Even though the lawnmower was up, but I'm mad because I can't work with my nose. You see me?
I feel you.
I said, you know what? That's why I said I'm gonna start the sit down more one more time. If we didn't start this time, that's it.
No grass in the cut.
No grass I cut. Grass I stay until next month. I said, boom! Kick him. I said, thank God. Thank God. And then that was like after 6, almost 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
And now look what time it is.
Yeah.
Now we're doing video. So blame me, okay? But see, you guys still got your video, Fast Food Friday. So y'all work done. First day to sleep out the day left me.
It was hot.
Don't get me wrong. She was out there with me, you know, feeding me still. Yeah. Feeding me. Giving my little snacks and stuff. Cause we was in the garage chilling.
It was too hot.
Too hot though. Florida's hot on a different level.
But you know when it's hot like that, it drains you, so you get tired.
Drain me, and I'm just looking at the card and trying to change this, trying to do that. Yo, I was tired, you know.
I had to go inside.
Drop asleep on, but anyway, see now we're doing a video, you know. Right. I just had to vent real quick. If you didn't want to listen, you better listen. So,
trust me, they want to listen because you barely chat. You yum.
But I feel good now because I eat, you see me? So when I'm eating, I feel much better. I try to work it on, but everything good. Other than that, it was a good day, right, First Lady?
It was a good day.
You get a good sleep. You can see now your face, man.
I sure did. I sure did. I wish we didn't have to work tomorrow. We could get up and watch movies.
I have to work. Yeah, so you want me to work, so. So as I done this video, straight, I'm maybe gonna
straight.
Draw some big V's. But other than that, how was y'all day?
Whoa!
What the ice up, I think.
Yeah, man. Something special over here. That thing reached far. Going too far now, big.
Going too far, no. So how was your day? Hope it was better than mine. It was better than mine? Yeah, yes it was, I know. Where's that mine, son?
Because you wasn't concerned about going to work. You need your hands for work. He was concerned about being able to eat his food.
That's what I'm all worried about. Eat my food and right there, make you do it. Yeah.
No, Sada.
You see me have to go slow.
I see. Because your food have been done already, you know.
But yeah, definitely. If you have this in your area, I don't know. Where's some of y'all from? Y'all know we from Florida. I know a couple of y'all from.
Ooh.
From Florida. Let me know where some of y'all from. If y'all have this restaurant, try it. No? We love our chicken well done though.
Yeah, we love our chicken well done. And even when we ask it to be well done, we still put it back in the oven.
We still come up with it back in the oven again.
Because we like the skin to be crispy. Because even though it's well done, the skin is not as crispy as we like it. So.
True facts.
I hope you guys have a great weekend. And since we only post during the week, we don't post on Saturday and Sunday.
So much steam up on beer, man. I pay attention to one.
So nice, my day.
Beer rice, man.
Enjoy our videos. Just catch up on our videos on the weekend, yeah? And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.
True. And again, we really appreciate y'all.
You do.
All the new songs. As I said, that's Shanice, and this is Richie.
Welcome to the family.
Welcome to the family. Okay? Appreciate the love.
The food is good.
Nice, so season.
Yeah. It's seasoned really well.
Season, man. How much you go up sauce in them already?
2. No more. 5. We did have.
5 with you?
So you ate 2.
2 meat already?
You can have the last one. We always watch you to see how much food I ate.
Now watch it. See me eat slow, you see it. Maybe some money hurt me. Further, it's just me now. If that machine didn't start, you know, that grass is still so, you know.
I know.
People don't have to give you a fine, because I now cut it.
I was shocked. I was in my sleep, my deep, good up sleep.
You heard me in the backyard.
Yeah. I said, oh, okay. You gotta start.
Make sure come to the window close so they can hear the machine, you know, because you're asleep. Yeah, man, I say, watch me now.
I did wake up, though.
I went right to the window close and...
I took like a 2-hour nap.
Make sure you sleep good. 2 hour nap, man, they fight with the machine, them, yo.
I'm sorry. I couldn't help you anyway because I don't know what I'm doing. I don't do outside work.
Outside work?
I'm a lady. I do inside work. I mean, I work in the garden, of course, but I don't cut the lawn. I don't put out the garbage. Man, I'll do them something there. I'm on work that.
Have you ever done that?
Nope.
So you going, man? Yeah, move Hollywood. Yeah, Hollywood.
I'm a queen. You're my king. But me not do the yard work.
King mash up a man today, king near the ball.
And you don't like things bother you too. You get frustrated easy.
You damn right I do. I like nothing bother me.
He's not patient at all. He's very impatient.
Oh yeah. Oh,
But
mad, yo. And it's because it was so hot, man.
It was hot. I was surprised because I thought he was gonna say, you know what, forget this lawnmower, but
dang, I can't forget it.
You know, because next week, because next week he's gonna be working.
Family, next week she's gonna be by herself, okay? Right, first lady?
Nope.
You know I'm gonna work, get some money, make some money.
Yeah, but you still gotta do video. I do it in the morning.
I gotta get that OT, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Gotta get it.
Because
OT giving out, y'all gotta get it.
you gotta get it.
Yeah. Working 6 days a week now.
Not forever, because I have to have my husband.
Y'all come to a video and snug on them food by yourself, yourself.
It won't be the same. I'm used to you.
Y'all know that come next week.
Yeah, all right.
No, I'm with you next week.
Yeah, all right.
Work, me say.
You can't go work, but you still have to do video.
Work or video? Thumbs up if you want a video, or thumbs down if you want me to go to work. Let's see what happens.
So you're gonna make people come give us thumbs down. That makes sense?
No. Thumbs down, I'm going to work.
Thumbs up in the comment section if you want him to go to work.
Yeah.
Thumbs down if you want him to be in the video. In the comment section. Nobody come give us no thumbs down, you know?
Yeah. Because I know someone give me dislike, you know. No, you know. Alright.
If it was that easy.
For real.
Sure.
Want to read people's minds, no?
Now you can read their minds. Oh, excuse me.
I don't like how the bread tastes.
Okay, still?
This guava sauce nice, you know?
Yeah, it's really good. You have to try the guava sauce.
Oh.
Said yeah, the family.
I hope they have it. That's what I said. I want to know where some of them from.
Yeah.
Family meal for the family, isn't it?
They don't have this in New York. Did I ask that question before?
What you ever call? Do they?
I don't think so. I don't remember seeing this in New York.
I see. I applied all over the seat so far.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Brown rice, like, go on, one.
I'm full, guys.
I know. Hey, I know you will.
Why are you laughing at me? I'm full.
I know.
We had a big breakfast. We don't usually eat in the morning when we do a mukbang.
Oh yeah, we did have a good big breakfast.
I made a big breakfast because
I was out there doing yard
we're
work.
doing yard work, so we had to eat something. So I made a big breakfast, and basically it was like a brunch because we didn't eat until like 1 o'clock.
Breakfast nice.
Breakfast. Because the kids, them, you know, they live in the Riley life.
Okay, they're not paying no bills.
Live in the Riley life, so they go to bed 2 in the morning and get up at 1 o'clock in the evening. So I wanted to wait until they was up before I made breakfast, so it's not cold. And because we're not really breakfast people, but we'll eat it. It didn't matter to us what time we ate breakfast. So by the time we ate breakfast and then he started the yard work, so I'm still full from that. Normally, if I eat a big breakfast, I don't eat anything else for the rest of the day.
I was there for a long time.
Come you see, I watch me now.
Watch me full. Now watch me. I was there for a long time. Long time, you're full. Yo, right now, I'm getting out to the good part of chicken.
Yeah, man. And you see how the skin is nice and brown?
Brown and nice.
But
brown and nice.
And seasoned.
And seasoned and spicy.
You love going for things for the camera.
Baby, I got your basket. See my basket.
Don't get me started. Don't start the fire if you're not gonna put it out.
You would have an extinguisher. Damn, this chicken tastes good soft, you know?
Yeah. This weekend, I think I'm gonna do some cleaning. Okay, listen, I'm gonna tell you guys one thing. I don't like to fold clothes, and I don't like to do dishes. But I would do it, but I just don't like it.
What are you gonna do when you have kids? That's their chore.
I know, but I'm just telling them that something about folding clothes. Like, I'll do the laundry, but I don't want to put them away. So, but I'm gonna do some cleaning, rearranging.
So we start now, right?
Yeah.
Summer every day in Florida. But I'm serious. I really want to know where some of y'all from. So drop it down in the comments.
I'm not listening.
No, you never listen. You gotta never listen anyway. What did them, bro?
I don't know, child. Excuse me. I was aware with some things.
Broke something around there.
My daughter having her friend over, doing a sleepover.
Her bestie.
Her BFF.
Yes.
They've been friends since they was 4 years old. My daughter's gonna be 14 now, so 10 years they've been friends. Let me have that piece of skin. Thank you, my love. Oh, you gave it to me?
Oh, lady, because that's the season, Dana.
That's what all the seasoning. You see that? Make sure my hand them not dry, right?
Wow. I got braced on my hand just now up on the board and you see that hurt, you know?
Oh. My baby. They can't still near do it?
Still must have been eating on, man. I'm reading, my dear.
I know. I see that.
Must have been eating on, man.
He came in the house and said, yo, I hit my hand on the damn ladder. I hit my eating hand. I laughed at I said, this guy's crazy.
Must have been eating on, man.
I said, honey, you gotta go to work tomorrow. You know what about your hand for work?
You
no?
Know, you want to be that bone?
Oh, excuse me. Sorry, guys. You want to see it?
So again, family, sorry for the late. See me can't even talk good too. Like a Spanish me a chat. Sorry for the late upload, okay?
Coming like Vincent.
Yes, Spanish me a chat.
Chat.
Yes, Spanish. I'm done. Sleep, I want to sleep now.
So. It's really seasoned. And it's not everybody's bone mean yam. Especially fast food bone. I don't know why.
Fast food. POLLOTROPICAL good. I like it. Tastes nice. Okay, I'm going. Things.
We were gonna do a live today, but I gotta figure it out. So probably next week.
Actually, we'll do a poll.
We'll do a live. You can do the poll right now.
Oh.
It's separate.
Oh. All right. Thank you, family, for tuning in again. You know how it is already. Likewise.
Thank you guys so much. We appreciate you, like my husband said. And don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Oh, may I take your line? My mother. Sorry.
That's why you're going, sir.
I know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time for another mukbang.
Like, comment, share, subscribe. Know what I'm saying? Appreciate you as always.
You guys have a great weekend, okay?
Bye.